Hey friends, welcome to the first tutorial of the new year. Yay! All right, let's jump into it. So, per my last video, I walked you through using the sum if function using more of a business example. This time I wanted to show you the same function but for personal use. With it being the new year, more of us are trying to become more aware of our spending and trying to find new ways to spend less. So if you're just looking to check out your finances or you want to master that budget life, this tutorial is for you. I mean, who wants to spend time collecting receipts and writing down every dollar you spend? Not me. I try to save myself as much time as possible and figure out creative shortcuts, so here it is. Let's see how much I spend per category using the sum if function. So as you can see here, I've kind of just exported what was on my credit card bill. You can do this on most online websites on your portal. It should give you the option to export to Excel. So I just went ahead and did that. I did have to format a little bit and delete some unnecessary columns, but pretty much all the information that you see here was already in my export. So let's get started. As you can see, all of my data is going to be on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to be working in this example box, and then to the right of that is my validation only box. This is what I did before I completed the formulas already, and this is just a validation for myself to make sure that I'm teaching you the right thing. So let's get started. So the first one in my example box is interest charge. I have a credit card, and if I don't pay it off every single month, then I accrue interest, which is pretty standard for most credit card companies. So out of curiosity, I'm curious how much interest I'm paying within this pay statement. So we're just going to start with the normal thing that you've already learned in the previous video, the sum if. So equals sum if, you're going to open your brackets, and now I'm going to select my range. My range is where I'm going to find my criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and select category. There you go, and then now I'm going to select my criteria, which is going to be interest charge. Now I'm going to select my sum range, and I'm going to hit enter. Perfect. 87 cents. Woo! Real good, right? Real good. So we've gone to that one, so now we're going to go to other. Other, I haven't really categorized yet. I'm kind of just like, I just took what the category said in my credit card bill. From there, I can be able to do like further investigation if I was really curious. So let's do the same thing. $0. Perfect. I don't even know why it was there. Oh, let's look right here. Cash back reward. Nothing. Maybe I deleted these. I don't know. I can't remember at this point. Okay, on to the next one. So as you know, you can go ahead and drag this formula down. But if you do that, actually, it's summing kind of correctly, even though it's not pulling from the right area. So hold on just a minute. It's just kind of a coincidence. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and drag it down, but the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make sure that I make these constant so it knows that it can only pull from these specific cells. Sorry, it can only pull from these specific cells. So I'm going to go ahead here, and now I'm going to be able to drag it down. It should give me the same numbers. But now you can see that the columns haven't moved. The formula is still pulling from the same set of data. So there you go. There is how to use it for personal use. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, please like the video if you did like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate you guys, and Happy New Year. Bye.